Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a progress pie chart which looks a little bit like this with no formulas and with little effort as possible. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is enter 10% in any cell and then drag that down for 10 times across the 10 rows. Then highlight all the data, go on insert. On this pie chart button right here, press that and then press this donut button right here. And you've now got the basic frame to work with. Once you've done that, let's tidy this up a little bit. So I'm just going to delete the bottom right there, delete the title, then select the elements right there. Then right click, go on Format Data Series. On the right hand side, let's change the size to 60%. So it's a bit bigger. Then what you need to do is select all of them again, right click and change the color to a dark green. Once you've done that, so we want to show 60%, so each one represents 10%. So we're going to shade each one individually a lighter green. And this can be a little tedious, but this is the easiest way to do it without any formulas as such. And now you've got the representation of 60%. And then the final step is go on insert, go on text, add a text box in the middle right there, enter 60%, change the formatting. Let's go with 40 in size. And I'm going to change the color to green and remove the outline so it looks a bit better. And then let's make it bold, center it. And there you have your 60% progress pie chart. The biggest downside about this approach is that it's not automated. So this percentage right here will not update automatically. You will have to manually change the colors. However, if you're looking for a quick and simple way, then this is the best approach. Another trick I want to show you is if you want to hide these 10%, it's quite simple. So select your pie chart again, right click, go on select data, go on this button right here, hidden empty cells, and then check this button right here. So show the data in hidden rows and columns. Press OK again. And when you hide this, it should still remain as such. In my next video, I'll show you how to automatically update this pie chart based on certain percentages in a data cell. So if you want to watch that video, then subscribe to this channel. But until then, don't forget to keep upskilling yourself.